Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to give you a very short recap of my last video I uploaded. You will see also the link in the description, or you can look in June 2025. So my last signal was here. You see the point here, and the signal was up. Of course, you needed some margin in order to reach the target that was hit today. Um, so this is the H1 hour chart I had put in my last video. If we look at the old H4 hour chart, the price was in that moment at this point at 194.98, so 195. And today it reached our target. So the key point here is it is very important to have a margin. It is important to trust your setup, to trust your analysis, and have margin. If you want to see more signals as soon as they appear, I will put them in shorts mostly. So please like and subscribe so that you can see all updates. So this was a winning trade. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.